That's the guy's bike. Some guy went down bad. Okay, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. This is our first time at an MX track. There are 2 goals. 1, do not crash like that guy did. Yeah, he's done. And 2, clear our first jump ever. So, I don't know, let's get into it. Alright, you ready, bro? I'm ready. We got 3 laps and then come back for the race, alright? Alright. I'm gonna smoke her, but I kinda hope she wins so I can give her the surprise, but let's be real, yeah, that's not happening. Alright, this is lap 1 of 3. Once it's over, we're gonna do the race. The track got shut down for a little bit because some guy got hurt falling on a jump. This track is so fun, dude. Oh no, she cut me off on the inside. Oh, that's crazy. On the practice lap. Oh, you get over here, buddy. I'm gonna pass you now. Or not, because I'm taking all the same lines as her. Oh my days. Oh my goodness. Alright. 2 more laps to go. Died, bro. How is he getting so far ahead of me? I don't know if I'm gonna beat her in a race like this, man. Oh my goodness. Bro, case of doom. He just bunny hopped off of that case, bro. Alright, I think that's the last lap for the race. Alright. We're gonna set up for the race. I don't know if I'm ready. Oh. I mean, we can do a couple more. But just keep in mind the GoPro batteries. I'm gonna beat her in a race for sure. Trust. If I lose after saying that, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my. Dude, this thing. Oh my. I know you guys didn't see it, but that was almost bad.
Good? Alright.
I think she's hurting a little bit.
It's fine.
Oh, how did you crash? I just went to go take the corner and just slid out. Like after the jump? Like did you try and jump in that? No, like kind of if I just went to go take this corner and just slid out. I just yeah. My bones are bent, he said, so. Yeah, they look like it. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's go back. Maybe you can find a tree to hit it on. Y'all good? Oh yeah. They're riding in a flannel and jeans. That's crazy. Dude, these balls are so bad.
Alright, here's what it is.
Thanks.
I think it'll be okay.
Now that we know you're not dead, do you want to do the race? Sure. Alright, remember, if you win, you get a prize. So, 2 laps? Do you want to do 2 laps? 1 lap? Yeah. Okay, so 1 lap takes all. Alright.
Why would they put reverse forward?
I don't know. China's backwards.
Turn this way and then back up.
Turn way up there and come around.
Yeah, right to the around. We'll turn it and go. Not that way, a circle. Go in a circle and turn. Go that way, go to circle. That's the car.
restart from there. Yeah, restart. I think that means, alright, let's try this again. I'm gonna throw this behemoth of a rock. And whenever this hits the ground, restart. Don't drive off track this time, bud. Alright. Keep turning me off, but I'm actually gonna lose. No, come on. Woo! I'm gonna win. Oh! I won! Yeah, I won! What was my surprise if I won? You'll have to wait and see. How about we do one more and we'll see if you can win. Alright. We have to part 2 at part 2. What? We have to do part 2 another Yeah, we'll do part 2. We'll come back here, do another race, and see if you can beat me, bro. Alright. That's probably it for the video, man. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
That's fine. You give it a touch of gas, but you get the point. What do you think of that versus that?
It's definitely a lot easier.
Just click beating, ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, that's got a whole lot more compression.
It went down. That's a nice bike though. I might get a 2-stroke soon. Well, not soon, because I'd probably have to sell this to get any other bike. I would have to, but something to look forward to. I don't know, I might fall in love with the 2-strokes. The only people I can pass are these 5-year-olds, dude. That's sad. Hey, they're kind of ripping though.
There's a fire down here, off in the cut. 4-wheel drives out slinging that. Turn it down till the sun comes up. We just wanna party. We're just getting started. Tell them come on if they wanna have